Okay, this is April 30th, period 7. We're going to learn today how to find values for which you're given the trig ratio. Everyone in this class has been informed that they are being recorded. And so,
Can you give me a shout out?
Shout out goes to Josue Santiago.
Shout out to me too.
Please check out Ben Diddy.
Shout out to the thoughts.
Lots of VH.
Anybody
How
else?
did you say that?
All right, I'm plugging in my microphone.
Shout out to my thoughts.
Bro, this kid wanted to fight me in the bathroom.
Really?
Yeah, he was taking a poop.
I already did. I gave you a shout
I
out.
didn't hear it. I was like, yo, you want to fight?
That was fake.
That was yours. Shout out to Josue Santiago.
Why did you put his whole government out there?
I want to
You
hear
put his whole government out there.
I want to hear this all replayed.
Okay, so, when you're given a question like this on a quiz or a test, you're just going to be given a blank paper. No graph is going to be provided. In my opinion, the best way to answer this question is to analyze the graph. And so, the first thing that you should do is you should do a graph of tangent. Now, a standard viewing window is considered to be between 2 pi, negative 2 pi, and 2 pi. So I'm going to quickly come up with a graph of tangent. 3 pi. And then, of course, the reflection of that across the y-axis. And you guys already know that at every multiple of pi, there's a 0. And you already know that all of the vertical asymptotes are at odd multiples of pi over 2. Okay, so here's what tangent looks like. So now I'm going to put a 1 on my y-axis. I'm going to put red dots every place where tangent is 1. All right, so what we want to do is we want to write an arithmetic sequence by first finding the one closest to the origin and then by stating the common difference, adding and subtracting multiples of the common difference. So, Andre, hi, you're the trig card reader today, right?
Okay.
Yes. So what would be the first value for which tangent is 1?
So wait, it's tan is 1, right?
Tangent is 1.
45 degrees.
Radians, please.
Oh, radians. Wait. I'm sorry. Give me a second. Oh, wait. It would be pi divided by 4.
Pi over 4. So we've got pi, your use of 1 is pi over 4. Okay, what's the common difference?
Pi.
And it's consistently happening every pi, right?
Yep.
Because, and the period of tangent is pi. Yeah.
I have a quick question. I'm very sorry. But, how do you know that the difference is pi? Can you please explain that to me?
Because it's happening once a cycle.
Uh-huh.
And you know that the period of tangent is pi because I told you that yesterday.
Got it. Okay, thank you.
Alright, so my answer is pi over 4 plus and minus pi k. That's the answer.
Whoa. Okay, hold on. I need to write that down. Does that say U1 equals pi over 4?
Above that, yes.
Okay.
And I use that notation because this is how we talked about arithmetic sequences a long time ago. Yes, X?
Can't you just find that out without doing graph?
If you can visualize a lot of stuff in your head and you know stuff about tangent and you are very advanced, you could do that without graphing this. Okay? I'm not, and there are also people who like to memorize a bunch of stuff. I'm not one of them. And so I like to be able to present ways that you can figure stuff out instead of memorizing it. Yes?
Wait, Miss, did I say not equal to?
This says pi over 4 plus or minus pi k.
Oh, my fault. Yeah, I thought it was equal.
me say what I got next. Oh, yay! We're at the time for homework now.
That's it?
That's it.
Real quick, can I ask you one more question?
I'm gonna stop recording and then you may ask questions.
Oh,
wait.
I didn't know what it meant.